Hey everyone, we're Gracen and Austin. We live in an RV and travel full-time around the United States. We explore everything from big cities to national parks. Come along as we figure it out one campsite at a time. In this video, we'll be exploring North Cascades National Park. We'll be visiting everything from Diablo Lake to dog-friendly trails. Let's get to it. You're good.
We're staying at the Newhalem campground. It's actually our first time staying at a national park campground with the RV. So we're super excited.
There's that Washington moss.
Night girl, trying to drive here.
There was a lightning strike in the middle of the park, starting the Ruby fire. The firefighters were working hard to get it under control, but the smoke was pretty intense.
Well, the amount of stuff we can do is limited because there's fires everywhere and it's hot. We're gonna head back. We'll show you our camping spot. Up at 5:30 a.m. Going to start the Blue Lake Trail.
Well, the park is still on fire. Looks like we're going to the smokehouse. The sky is orange and pink and smoky, but we're headed onwards. We'll see.
Here we go, on the Blue Lake Trail. Almost back, babe.
We are headed back to the RV to check on Keke. Overall, we really enjoy North Cascades National Park. Just wanted to give a disclaimer that the reason we were able to do a dog-friendly hike is because 2 national forests are on either side of the park, and so they have different rules and regulations. Make sure to check each one for whatever hike you choose to do. And if you do bring your dog, make sure to keep them on leash, clean up after them, and bring enough water for both of you. Pretty much the entire park is just off of Highway 20, and there will just be overlooks and shorter trails along the way that you can stop and kind of see what's going on. But for the most part, you have to hike really far to see this park, which is cool. Just be prepared for it. Thanks for watching our video. Our next stop is Olympic National Park, so please leave any recommendations you have in the comments, and please consider supporting our page by subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.